Year 2007, paper 1 type of question. This is a sequence as well as sigma notation problem. Write down first three terms of the sequence un is equal to 3n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Term number cannot be 0, term number cannot be negative, term number cannot be fraction, term number cannot be decimal. So it has to be always positive integer. So right now they said this you should start with 1. Sometimes they will say start with say 2, 3, anything. Right now they are talking about term number from 1. So write down first three terms. So I am writing un is equal to 3n, where n is greater than or equal to 1. So I will start with 1. So n is 1, so u1 is equal to 3 times 1 is 3. N is 2, so u2 is equal to 3 times 2 is 6. N is 3, so u3 is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. So 3, 6 and 9, these are the first three terms for 1 mark. Now sigma notation. How do you read this one? Find summation of, this is the symbol of summation or sigma notation, summation of 3n from n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 20. So when I say n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 20, I cannot take only these two terms, but I have to take a 1 to 20 inclusive all in between. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20, no decimals. I want to find out the sum. So here summation I'm writing as it is, summation from n is equal to 1 to 20 of 3n. I'm using a bracket for 3n. Start with n is equal to 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. Then use this summation sign, which is plus. After 1, don't jump to 20. After 1, the next number comes as a 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Again use this sum, plus. 3 times 3 is 9. Again use this sum, plus. You don't need to write down all terms. You just directly write down first three terms and the last term. The last term is with n is equal to 20 is 3 times 20 is 60. So your first term in the series is 3, second term is 6, third term is 9 and last term is 60. How many terms are there? 1 to 20, basically 20 terms. So I can see this is my first term 3. Difference is 3 because 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 6 is also 3. So difference is 3. So it's the arithmetic sequence. I'm using a second formula n over 2 because n is 20. So 20 over 2. Bracket u1 plus un. u1 is 3 and un is 60. Not 20. Okay, u20 is 60. u1 is 3. So 3 plus 60. 3 plus 60 is 63. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 multiplied by 63. 63 times 1 is 63 and 0. So 630. Second, summation from n is equal to n is equal to 21 to n is equal to 100 of same sequence for 3n. Now this can be done by two methods. I am showing you the easiest method because calculation will be easy for you. I know I want to start from 21 to 100. In the previous case, we found out from 1 to 20. So basically, I need to find from onward 20 up to 100. To make this calculation easy, first, if I'll write down 1, 2, 3 up to 20, then 21, 22, 23 up to 100. I want to find out this sum from u21 to u100. What I will do, I will find out this full sum 1 to 100 and then I will subtract this term, this sum. So I will get u21 to 100. When multiplication is 100, the calculation becomes easy. So here the total number of terms are 100, 100 divided by 2. We know it's a 3 and so it has to be arithmetic. We know first term with n is equal to 1 is 3 times 1 is 3. With n is equal to 100, 3 times 100 is 300. 3 plus 300 is 303 times 100 divided by 2 or times 50 because 100 divided by 2 is 50. 15, 15, 0 is the multiplication of 50 times 303. And we already know n is equal to 1 to 20 from the first part is 630. 15150 minus 630 remains. So 14520 is the sum of 3n from n is equal to 21 to 100. Thank you.